what's good with y'all? It's ENJ, and we back with another little episode up in the kitchen. You feel me? We're doing a little explain it.
A little Chef Eli and Chef Jair in the cut, man. We chefing up some quesadillas. We got a cameraman today, so y'all not just gonna have this angle again. This is we're in the same kitchen as Spicy Noodle Mukbang. So we just gonna get it started with a little tap right now, and we're gonna cut back to when the
comida almost done.
Comida.
Got that chorizo, and we finna make some quesadillas on the side with the chorizo and the eggs. And if we want to, we finna put that bitch together.
I just want to say real quick, y'all been low-key running up the channel, and we appreciate it. No bad. Road to 500, but also road to 200 right now. We're at 190 live right now, 190.
Let's get to 200.
Come on. But we'll see y'all in a little bit. Hey, gotta get it started. Come on. Hot? Just one hand. They don't know about the one-hand team. We might have to cut. There's a shell in it. Hey, chill. There's a shell in it. Hey, we're not no Caucasian folks, so let's get the seasoning. Salt.
Black pepper.
This nigga has no napkins.
What you on the?
Nigga,
Alright, chill.
What? It's meat time.
How's that bitch up?
We don't like this shit raw over here, so we gotta make it a little bit good. All this is educational purposes. Do not try this at home. Everything is done by professionals. That shit was fucking light, man. I take blinkers.
Hey, give me a blinker. Give me a blinker. Off the Ruha.
Feed him a blinker.
Oh no. Get that shit off my face. Oh no. I'm trying to cook it.
So, this is gonna take a little bit. We're gonna cut back. So I'm not gonna lie, that shit flopped. I don't think we're chefs no more. I think we gotta go retirement or something. Cause that shit was like ass. So, you know,
that shit was not hard, buddy.
We gotta get it with a simple little.
Get the Mickey D's right quick.
So,
I need a nub, bro.
you never go wrong with some Mickey D's.
Oh god.
That niggas took your post. This shit lucky. I don't know. I don't know
what went wrong, but
yeah.
it was not hard.
After we made those scrambled eggs, we tried to cook again, and I guess we messed up. Bro, and I burned like 3 tortillas.
Bro was not a chef. But we finna just take that with y'all, finish this little food, and then end it off, you know. Chill a little vid, time, He inside with it. He eating this food. He don't want to be in this for this part.
Yeah.
It's gonna get a little hot.
Oh yeah. But vid's not done yet though, because can I take the shoes?
Oh yeah. Later part's gonna be in vid.
No way, my shit went all the way to the top. Oh no.
Cook. Is you?
Okay.
That's a little yap. I still got a mac chicken finish. Oh, bro.
Hey, that $5 meal at McDonald's be coming in clutch. But bro, the sun's shining down right on us right now.
Oh God, bro, this is sun.
It's hot as hell outside. I thought sunburn.
Should we do it inside with it? Bring it inside.
Let's take a final tap, man, before the goodies. Yeah, I'm sweating. But yeah, we're trying to wait for the plug right now. We'll catch on in a little bit. Go on. I don't know if y'all can see me right now, but it's about 3 a.m. right now. Fucking witchcraft hours or something. Post shroomies. I'm seeing shit. I don't know what I'm seeing, bro. Jair, on the other hand.